welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small little haul for you guys. So I recently picked up few products from this website called beautybigbang.com. So this is the first time I am purchasing, so I thought of trying few products and then later if I really like the products I would go bang on with the shopping. So if you don't know what is beautybigbang.com, it's an online shopping site like any other online shopping site where they sell huge amount of makeup and nail art products for affordable range. So if you're interested in knowing what all I have in my haul, then continue watching. So first thing I have is this eyebrow pencil. This is how the packaging looks like. It had come with plastic wrapping as well. I have already used all the products. I have done first impression on all the products which I show you guys right now. So I'll be uploading the video after this video because I wanted to show haul video and then come up with first impression and review. So this is the first thing, and we have the eyebrow pencil inside here. And all the products from this Beauty Big Bang are cruelty free. They have mentioned in all the products which you purchase, they have literally mentioned every details of all the products. So this is how the eyebrow product looks like. It has two ends, which has one side spoolie and the other side we have the actual eyebrow product. So this is how the eyebrow product looks like. It is same like any other eyebrow product which you need to twist, and I am really happy with my shade because I really like my eyebrows to look more of a grey shade rather than browny shade. So I'm really happy with the color which I have picked up, and I'll just swatch it for you guys so that you can see the pigmentation of this eyebrow.
Oh, eyebrow.
So this is how the eyebrow pencil looks like. It really looks natural on your eyebrows and I really liked this product. So you'll be seeing all the first impression of all the products in my next coming video. So don't miss that video so that you'll be knowing which product to purchase and how the product really works on me. So yes, this is the first product. Then I forgot to mention I'm in the shade 01. So next thing I have is this eyeshadow palette which looks so cute and small and chic. So this is in the shade 05, and let's just open and see how it looks from inside. So this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It looks so nice, and the finishing of this palette is matte, and you have small little big mirror here, and you get normal like brush which you get in all eyeshadow palettes. Then we have 5 matte shades and 5 glittery shades, and all the glittery shades are really good and it glides on your eyelids very smoothly, and even when I swatched it was really like a butter. But the matte shades are a little bit chalky, you need to work with it, and the pigmentations are really good. Okay, let me just swatch only 2 shades for you guys, one from matte shade and one from glittery like satiny finish shade. So this is the matte shade, and the pigmentations are really good, you can build it up. And this is from shimmery shade, and the pigmentation is really good, you guys. So for affordable range and for what you pay, this is worth it. So this is the next product from Beauty Big Bang. Then next thing I have is this Beauty Big Bang loose powder. So this is how the loose powder looks like from the out, and I'm in the shade 01 Ivory, I believe. Yeah, I'm in the shade 01 Ivory. So every product from Beauty Big Bang comes with this cardboard case which is a really good quality, and this is how the loose powder looks like. It's a translucent powder, and you can see your shade name at the back, and when you open you get puff here and you have the loose powder inside here. So this is the next thing which I picked up from Beauty Big Bang. Then next I have is this Beauty Big Bang face palette, which is called as Blush, Highlight and Contour, and I'm in the shade 05. So this is how the palette looks like. It looks like a compact, but you have 3 products inside this palette. Let me just open and show it to you guys. And this is how it looks. This is the contour shade, this is the blush, and this is the highlighter. And you get a full size mirror here, which is good quality as well. So these products are really amazingly packaged. You can literally use all the products while you're traveling as well, because it is compact and it's literally chic and sleek packaging, and it's sturdy as well. So yes, this is the next thing. So next and the last thing which I picked up from Beauty Big Bang is this matte liquid lipstick, and I'm in the shade 01 Catherine. And right now I have it on my lips, and you can see how gorgeous this shade is. So this is how the liquid lipstick looks like. It comes with a normal doe foot applicator like any other liquid lipstick. And I really like the packaging of this liquid lipstick because it comes with this golden cap, which is really nice and it looks high class. So yes, this is the last thing from Beauty Big Bang. So that was all the products which I picked up from this beautybigbang.com. I really loved all the products which I picked up, and you need to come back for my first impression video, because I have reviewed each and every product in depth. It will be very helpful for you guys to decide whether to buy or not. So with that being said, I'll finish this video. And one more thing, I have a coupon code for this website. If you're purchasing anything from that website, you can use my coupon code, which will be in the description box. And I'll provide all the links for this products which I showed you guys right now in the description box, so that it will be helpful for you guys to directly go and get your product. So with that being said, I'll finish this video, and advance Happy New Year to each and everyone. Have a wonderful year ahead, and yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from my channel. With that, I'll finish this video. Thank you so much for watching.